In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the shopping cart page in Squarespace. Let's jump right in and make the most of the powerful tools Squarespace offers for customizing your online store. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to your Squarespace account. Start by going to the Page Management section. This is essentially your command center where you can manage all the various pages of your website, including your store. Once you're there, click on Store to access the e-commerce features of your site. This will open up a new set of options specifically designed for managing your online shop. Now, within the Store menu, look for the Add button and click it. This is where you can add new products or categories to your store. It's an important step as the products you offer are what make your store unique. Next, a prompt will ask you, what do you want to sell? Here you'll see several options such as physical products, digital goods, services, or gift cards. Choose the option that best fits what you're offering. Select accordingly to ensure your store is set up exactly how you want it. Each option allows you to customize product details to match your business needs, such as setting product variants, pricing, and descriptions. Once you've made your selections, you can click Close to exit this dialog. Don't worry, your progress is saved, and you can come back to edit this information at any time. Now, let's dive into the editing aspect of your shopping cart page. Click on Edit. This is where you can restructure your shopping page to fit your brand's identity. Editing gives you the ability to update layouts, change font styles, design custom elements, or even adjust colors to create a cohesive look that blends with the rest of your site. During this process, you'll see the option to Add Block. This feature is incredibly useful for adding unique sections to your page like text, images, or galleries, essentially anything that can create a dynamic shopping experience. Once you've added a block, you can choose what you want to add specifically. It's your chance to get creative, making your site interactive and engaging. Maybe you want a section for testimonials or a space to highlight sales promotions. The possibilities are vast. After you've made all your changes and are satisfied with your page, remember to click Save. This will ensure that all your hard work and edits are preserved and immediately reflected on your live site. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to editing your shopping cart page on Squarespace. By following these steps, you'll create an inviting and functional online store that meets your business goals. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of your Squarespace store.